Hey, you're welcome back to Project Management Demystified. As you all know, my name is Michael. I'm a VP and a project management professional. Right, so this is episode 20 of our hypothetical project. Although it's episode 20, but what I'll be sharing might seem like a general information, and it's a really important information and inputs some of the things that we've discussed or that we will be discussing or that you will be experiencing in your teams. It puts them into perspective. It makes them easy to understand. So while I have been describing the initiative as a project, because the rate of change in this day and age is significant, is moving at a pace we've not seen before, is moving at an unprecedented pace. Organizations might not have the luxury to start projects the way I've described them. So starting with an idea and then waiting and things happening one after the other. So there's a delivery structure team that organizations adopt now, that things are continuously happening. So one change is not finishing before the other one starts. That's why change teams and project teams are massive. So how would I bring that to life? So in the example that we've been discussing, finding a way to improve the waiting period within the NHS. So I've described it as a project. However, there's something called the continuous delivery pipeline, and what the continuous delivery pipeline does is that there is always continuous exploration of ideas. You know, in the last couple of episodes, I spoke about preserving options and assuming variability and preserving options. So it is in the process of continuous delivery pipeline. So when there's continuous exploration of ideas, the ideas are there and they're being explored. There's continuous exploration, continuous integration. So the ideas that have been explored are being integrated into what is currently existing. So we want to integrate them in a way that what exists currently is not being impacted. So it just flows in smoothly, and is a framework, is a framework that's used in software development as well, that changes, builds, code is regularly, continuously being explored and continuously being integrated through a CI/CD pipeline, as they call it, continuous integration, continuous deployment. So in software development, it is continuous integration and continuous deployment. In the agile world, there is continuous exploration at the start. So continuously exploring the idea, continuously integrating the explored idea and bringing it to life more, and then continuous deployment. So it is CECICD. Charlie Echo, Charlie India, and Charlie Delta. So deployment to production, to customers. So in the example that we were speaking about, while we can start with a minimum viable product of starting with one department or something, the team will continuously explore the ideas that are in the backlog or the feedback that's been received from customers. So the feedback is continuously being explored, and any new changes will continuously be integrated into what's currently happening and then continuously deployed as value to customers. So we might not have the luxury in your teams, you might not have the luxury of working on a specific project and seeing it from start to finish. So things might just be continuously happening throughout the life cycle of the value stream or the value you're trying to deliver to customers. There's so many things in the world of projects, change management, agile project management, and as the days go by, I'll try to explain them when they come, even when I'm in the process of explaining series. If something comes up, I would explain it like this. I hope that helps. I'll leave it there, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Bye-bye.